What's up, guys? It's Golden Helmet and Fans, and we're at the Clubhouse, and we're in the pool area. My parents will allow me to demonstrate it's this Emerson Northwind 52-inch ceiling fan. So this is going to be a quick demonstration because it's a pool area. But we're not going to use the pole change. This time we're going to use inside this control panel. Alright, and it's a switch. Okay. That's how we're going to demonstrate. Okay, so as far as fan, let's go. Let's start on high speed. So it's going to speed up. It's going to take time to speed up. Oh. It still works pretty good, as you guys know. One of flashlight works. So I have a flashlight on. I hope it doesn't go dark. Alright, so next speed. Speed with the breeze. Pretty good. Alright, next up is medium speed. Or high speed. It's a high speed. Same thing, but we'll go on high speed if you set on max. But we're going to demonstrate with 4 speeds only. That's medium high speed, I think you can see. Now we'll go. Here's medium speed. You know, this fan it has 4 speeds on this fan. And on pulsing, it only has 3 speeds, so it only have 4 speeds. So, and the last speed is 4 speed. You know this fan is working pretty well. As you can tell. And all you have all the lights on are automatically. Actually go pretty well, you can see. Free. Yeah. Anyways, I'll go ahead and turn the fan off. There you go. So there it is. That's distance fans and more about the Emerson Northwind. Right? I think it was a 42 or 44. Is not sure. Alright, that's it for that is the hinted Emerson Northwind ceiling fan. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and peace out.